I wrote it on April 30th. I said we should take Haji Pir, we should take Skadu.
You wrote it
7 days before
Yeah, sorry.
Sindhu. We achieved air dominance by 3 o'clock in the morning. So in that half hour, our forces could have finished it. Army should have gone right in. Kisne roka tha? Whenever I talk about America rowega,
How China is secretly defeating India without firing a single bullet.
Chinese have transferred nuclear missiles to Pakistan deliberately to contain India. Pakistan क्या चीज है? GDP of Pakistan ये Reliance खरीद लेगा पूरा पाकिस्तान को. It is 1/13 the market cap of the Mumbai Stock Exchange. 3:45 we decide. Indian cabinet decides. Today we'll do this. Within 1 hour, GHQ Rawalpindi knows about it. The good thing is, what the GHQ Rawalpindi decides at 3:45, we know it in half an hour. That's not a joke. That's a fact of life.
So would you call Pakistan as a Chinese tool? आगे बढ़ने से पहले प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो ताकि हम आपके लिए और इंटरेस्टिंग कंटेंट बनाते रहें. एंड जितना आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे उतने अच्छे गेस्ट को हम आप तक लेके आ पाएंगे. एंड सब्सक्राइब करना भाई एकदम फ्री है और सिर्फ 1 ही सेकंड लगता है सब्सक्राइब करने में. तो मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ, पहले आप सब्सक्राइब करो. Thank you and enjoy the podcast. The issue or the conversation what I want to do today with you is, since you're an expert on Indochina and you've been in this space, you have observed Chinese a lot better than anybody else. And I want to talk to you about how China is essentially secretly defeating India without firing a single bullet. I want to understand, where all we have been trapped by the Chinese, what all are they doing to us, and how India can leverage, if yes, its advantages, its strategic assets, wherever possible, in a way to counter those challenges that are being, thrown to us by China right now. That is where we want to have the conversation. To start it off, I have an interesting story to tell you. 1958 में इजराइल ने फ्रांस के साथ एक सीक्रेट डील की न्यूक्लियर वॉरेट के बारे में. एंड दिमोना में, नेगेव डेजर्ट में, दे स्टार्टेड टू बिल्ड द कंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर न्यूक्लियर वॉरेट्स. तो जब ये अमेरिकन्स को पता लगा कि ऐसा कुछ तो चल रहा है, तो अमेरिकन एम्बेसडर उस साइट एरिया के ऊपर, दे फ्लोन देयर हेलीकॉप्टर्स ओवर इट, बट उनको कुछ नहीं मिला. एंड दे आस्क्ड इजरायली ऑफिशियल्स कि भाई तुम नीचे क्या बना रहे हो, कंस्ट्रक्शन तो चल रही है. अब उन्होंने बोला कि हम तो टेक्सटाइल फैक्ट्री बना रहे हैं यहाँ पे, और अमेरिकन मान गए. कुछ टाइम बाद अमेरिकन्स ने फिर से इंस्पेक्शन की. अब इजरायली ने वहां पे एक फेक फैक्ट्री क्रिएट कर दी जिसमें उन्होंने टेक्सटाइल ऑपरेशंस दिखाए और नीचे प्लूटोनियम की यूरेनियम एनरिचमेंट चल रही थी. This is how Israel got their nuclear warheads, by lying about it. And now Israel has almost 90 plus warheads. This is how their entire secret deal of getting the nuclear enrichment program started. What I want to know from you is, China did the same thing with Pakistan. China gave uranium, nuclear enrichment, minerals to Pakistan, and US also knew about it, and US in fact sanctioned a Chinese company about it. So why China was able to get away with all of this if everybody else gets into the US, war zone it?
The fact is that the Americans were very complicit in the Chinese transferring nuclear missile technologies to Pakistan. They were party to it. The reason they were party to it was because Ziaul Haq in Islamabad had an exchange. The Pakistanis are very good at capitalizing on opportunities that we are not. We are, as everybody says, we are the elephant. It cannot dance. Remember, that's the title of a book by a Canadian High Commissioner.
Yeah.
Can India dance? Meaning we are not agile. We are not nimble. As the Pakistanis are. Because for them, the margins of error are very small. What I mean by margins of error is margins of survival. Chota mulk hai. Resources है नहीं. तो किस basis पे आप अपने, how will you prosper?
Yeah. Or have
How
some
will you
principles.
keep yourself together?
Yeah.
And the Pakistanis have become very good at exploiting the interstices. Interstices means if this is US, this is Russia. If this is India, this is China. ये बीच में जो बारीकी का जो gap है, how to exploit it. They're very good at it. देखिए कैसे manage किया ईरान वॉर में, द मीडिएटर बन गए. आसिम मुनीर जाता है वॉशिंगटन में, ही इज फेटेड, अपने आप को फील्ड मार्शल बना देता.
सेल्फ प्रोक्लेम्ड.
सेल्फ प्रोक्लेमिंग जो कुछ हुआ है.
हाँ.
The fact of the matter is you have to appreciate how they get things to fall their way when things happen. And how we, because we are so big, we are ungainly. And if you're ungainly, you're not agile. You're not quick on your feet. You're not quick of mind. You're flat-footed. What that means is, against an adversary that is what we are not, you're always at a disadvantage.
Right.
Zia-ul Haq told the Americans, look, you want to come, Russians had just come to Afghanistan. Americans said, and that was the time of Jimmy Carter, 1978-79. And the Soviet occupation troops, Babrak Karmal regime was in Kabul. They had dethroned King Zahir Shah, who was then living in Rome. So Pakistan had the leverage. Bhai, if you, agar aap hamari territory istemal karna chahte ho, so you will help us get nuclear weapons, because hame 1971 had happened.
Yeah.
And what is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto had said, we'll eat grass, but we'll have an atom bomb. मौका मिल गया. चाइनीज ऐसे इनको सीधे रखो. कौन रख सकता है? हम रख सकते हैं across a long border. Well, let's Pakistanis do it. That's the Chinese strategy. Let someone else do your dirty work for you. Why should you get into it? और वैसे ही हिंदू मुस्लिम इनका चलता आ रहा है. Let them exploit it. The beauty of the strategy is precisely that we haven't caught on to it.
So would you call Pakistan as a Chinese tool?
No, not at all. Not in the least. This is the sort of thing, whenever some other country succeeds, you find a way of pulling it down. That's the normal Indian subcontinental habit. कोई अच्छा कर रहा है तो उसको pull down करो, है ना?
Yeah.
What is the thing that Indians and subcontinentals generally are known for? We're like the crabs in a basket. You don't allow any crab to climb up. Because as soon as someone starts climbing up, they pull them down. We're that way. So, Pakistanis did it. The Americans were up a tree. But we need the territory of Pakistan to discomfit the occupation troops, the Soviet occupation troops. So Brzezinski came to Islamabad. And bhai hame ye chahiye, and CIA will be operating from your land. Now, they say, Zia-ul Haq said, well, okay. And Carter first promised arms aid, AO, and so on.
Yeah.
Zia-ul Haq said, dismissed, he said, these are peanuts. Remember, very famously. He said, these are peanuts. हमें बहुत ज़्यादा चाहिए. अगर आप हमको इस्तेमाल करोगे तो the price is very, very big. उसी टाइम पे Bhutto had already talked to the Chinese. Chinese were very interested कि भाई इनको nuclear weapons कैसे दिया जाए, missiles कैसे दिए जाए. मौका मिल गया. The Americans were compelled to look the other way as they carried on these transactions.
What was the advantage America was getting out of this entire transaction?
Arey, Afghanistan, they needed Pakistan to carry out the Soviet occupation troops. इनको था कि भाई इनको मुजाहिदीन बना दो, उनको discomfit करो, the occupation troops.
The CIA funding program that you referred to.
And the pipeline, the arms pipeline, the logistics setup was from Pakistan.
Yeah. Where Saudi Arabia also funded collaboratively.
That is irrelevant. That's secondary.
Yeah.
And that is ballyhooed. Please don't believe that nonsense. It's true, the Saudis did finance in a way to make it seem a commercial deal. The Chinese had a meta-strategic motive to do it, to contain India to the subcontinent. They succeeded. Pakistan का रट्टा मारते रहते हैं हम लोग. वहाँ चाइना बैठा हुआ हंस रहा है. यार ये बेवकूफ लोग. See the point? That's our strategy. Do we have a strategic mindset? We don't. Of a similar kind. That's what, since when I was first in the first NSAB, National Security Advisory Board that Atal Bihari Vajpayee set up, in that thing, when I remember the then Foreign Secretary K. Raghunath came up before the thing, I asked him, if the Chinese have transferred nuclear missiles to Pakistan deliberately to contain India, shouldn't we also think strategically and transfer nuclear missiles to all the countries who want security against China? Unko de do? All the neighbors? Southeast Asia में कितने neighbors हैं where they are contesting the South China Sea? किया हमने? नहीं. Why? I asked K. Raghunath, did you not think about it? कहता है, Mr. Karnad, it's impracticable. That word still is etched in my mind with acid. Impracticable कह रहा है. The foreign secretary who can't, MEA cannot think strategically. तो ये बंदा कह रहा है, it's impracticable. I was so mad. Keshav Manim was on the chair, Jaishankar Kabab. He was the chair, convener of the NSAB. And he knew that I was going to corral this guy. Said, Bharat, let him be. वो भी बाबू था, IAS का आदमी था. मुझे पता है यार ये कर क्या सकता है, हमें. So he said, I said, Mr. Foreign Secretary, there's nothing that stops us from paying back China in the same coin.
Right.
The only thing that stops us is ourselves, our inhibitions, our lack of strategic mindset. और कोई नहीं रोक रहा. क्या कर लेगा कोई? If we today decide, चलो, you set the precedent, आपने शुरू किया ये चीज, we'll end it. देखें कैसे आप, you think we are sweating bricks? We are, because you nuclear armed missile armed. Pakistan is not the problem. China is the problem. We should tell China, you are the problem. Pakistan, okay, you think you have contained us. You have, tactically. Now we'll show you how to contain you.
And do you think we can do the same thing now?
Now we can do it. Vietnam is right there.
Correct.
The only people who have beaten
Yes.
China.
Chinese. Yeah, Vietnam.
Vietnam. They've beaten everybody. Not just China.
And China has lost all the wars.
All the wars for 1,000 years.
Correct.
The Vietnamese call it, this is a 1,000-year war, ongoing. वो पीछे हटने वाले लोग नहीं हैं हमारे जैसे. क्या, what's wrong with us?
If we do this now with, let's say, Vietnam.
With everybody. Give it to the Philippines.
What about US? Will they?
Screw the goddamn US. You have to have an attitude. I've lived a third of my life in the US. All my American friends are American. All my American, you're too American for us. In Washington and all the strategic community, you see, my books, it's very hard hit. I mean, I'm what they call an ultra hawk. I'm not. I'm just a realist. I don't have wool over my eyes. And if India is at fault, I say so. When I was in NSAB, I used to criticize the government. क्या कर रहे हो जसवंत सिंह? Bharat, what is this? We have appointed you into the हमारी. I said, yes. Why did you stop the goddamn testing in 1998? When आपको Santhanam, Dr. K. Santhanam, who was the field director Pokhran, आपको डेमाई ऑफिशियल लेटर लिखता है प्राइम मिनिस्टर को कि भी हमारे थर्मोन्यूक्लियर जो डिवाइस टेस्ट हुआ था वो फिजल हो गया, ठीक नहीं है डिजाइन. तो क्या करना चाहिए था आपको?
Rework.
Resume testing until you get the goddamn thing right. It's like your software.
Correct.
If it doesn't work, you work out, iron out the kinks.
You pivot, you reiterate. Yeah, keep working until you get
it right, and then test again and again to see भाई जो हमने रिपेयर किया है, जो रीडिजाइन किया है, जो रिकन्फिगर किया है, ये ठीक है या नहीं.
Correct.
बिना टेस्टिंग के हम कह रहे हैं हम थर्मोन्यूक्लियर नेशन बन गए.
हाँ. In fact, in 1964, we were ahead of China when it comes to nuclear energy.
यार, as long as until 1979, we were on the same economic level as China. Forget about 1954.
What went wrong?
The Nehru socialism, no. But Nehru socialism also had a reason. Again, our fault. जो हमारे capital class है वही मारवाड़ी, वही पैसे वाले, the local capitalists. Nehru asked them, भाई invest in steel mills. खाली टाटा थे जो थोड़ी दिमाग था उनका, विजनरी थे. They had already put in a steel plant way back during British times. Other than that, who had anything? वो जूट प्रेस कहते हैं, बिरला वगैरह. तो क्या किया उन्होंने? यही हुआ कि बस. Then if Nehru was actually faced with a dilemma. Of course, he was a socialist. He was what they call the Bloomsbury socialist. यानी कि not really hard socialist like Stalin Walin type. यार ये थोड़ा और यहाँ थोड़ा rhetoric में prosperity for all ऐसे सब चीजें बातें हैं. He was not a hard communist or a socialist who'd be ruthless as Mao was. ये कह सकते हैं आप, argument certainly can be made कि because we didn't have that kind of a system, an authoritarian system. And many say it. We had this problem. I said, yeah, given our state, the authoritarian we would have set up would have been even worse. जो जैसे हो रहा पाकिस्तान में,
करेक्ट,
हमारे लोग हैं ना, हमारे जैसे ही है ना,
सही बात है,
तो कौन से बड़े तीर मार के आए हैं,
करेक्ट।
तो वो भी नहीं चलता। इफ यू आर्ग्यू दैट वे, दैट डजंट वर्क,
हम्म,
क्योंकि साथ में ही बैठा है। So that's the problem with us as a people.
व्हाट डू
We
वी हैव टू
don't have a
चेंज?
self-respect.
हम्म,
अगर सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है तो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है।
हम्म,
सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, देन यू डोंट ट्रस्ट योर सेल्फ, योर ओन टैलेंट, योर इंडिजिनस कैपेबिलिटीज। देखो ना,
हम्म।
these are the cascading effects.
What do we have to change about us to become better in that capacity?
You tell me, you know, I mean, anybody's guess is as good as anybody else's.
हाँ,
70 saal, 75 years, God knows how long we are at it, 80 years now since independence. We haven't worked out as yet as to what works for the country.
हम्म,
आत्मनिर्भरता की बात तो करते हैं, यहाँ देखो तो रफाल आ रहे हैं, वहाँ देखो तो जर्मन सबमरीन्स आ रही हैं, मेरी अपनी फील्ड में कह रहे हैं हम।
हम्म,
तो नियरली 80 years of independence, क्या एट द एंड ऑफ इट
हम्म।
हुआ क्या है? सब लोग
The
पैसे
argument,
बना रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, करप्शन इज स्टिल राइफ।
the argument comes out to be that we have UPI, we have Aadhaar, we have developed it.
No, absolutely great. No question. Please, I'm not suggesting that some of these developments have not worked out or that they haven't benefited the people. They have. And we are better off for it as a collective. But I'm saying that when you talk about Atmanirbharta, it's a great, rhetorically, a great concept. The reason when Modi ji talks about India first, Bharat first, do you know who conceived India first, the entire strategy and the entire concept?
No.
My book. So India was first in 2001 by me. So you have these kinds of things, because I saw, I was close to Jaswant Singh, I was close to KC Pant, ye sab log, you know, and they liked me. They were the two intellectually curious and, you know, shall we say, not just intellectually curious, but also very open-minded people. And because my solutions were always different, not the bureaucratic kind, ye karo, aise nahi. I had to give solid reasons why we have to do that. It's another matter, wo dar ke wo kuch, they should never do anything. And the other day, Bharat, oh, yaar, this is too onerous for us. No one wants to take a risk. Itni risk-averse hamari mentality hai. It's what the bureaucratic mentality, that's what I mean by over-bureaucratized state. You do what is, where there's a precedent. जो पहले हुआ है वैसे करते आ रहे हैं, वही करते जाओ,
तो वैसे रिजल्ट्स आएंगे फिर।
बस
was...
ये ठीक है, आधार वाधार जो कह रहे हो तो ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. And the poor are getting their due, they should get it. I have no problem with that. But इतना भी मत करो ना कि they lose all incentive to do anything. घर बैठे बैठे पैसे आ रहे हैं, क्या करना है क्या, वो भी उतना भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
Correct.
But अभी जब there's millions of people, young people being pushed out into the labor market, there's no employment, AI आ गया. The point I'm trying to make is, देखो, technology waits for nobody, right? And we have been such laggards that what happens is technology always outpaces us. You have to be ahead of technology to benefit from it. We have always been followers, camp followers. We've always been, 100 steps behind everybody. बातें तो बड़े करते हैं. But in hard real terms, we're still a third world country. Third world.
Third largest economy?
Third world, third largest economy क्या होता है? In price parity terms.
Yeah.
ये ना भूले ना. Price parity terms क्या होता है?
Correct. I mean, the dollar, अगर हम उसी की बात कर
तो
लें.
फिर उससे क्या हुआ, तो मतलब.
Correct. But the claims are like
अरे
that.
यार, that is for the World Bank when they begin doing comparative financing.
GDP per capita POV से तो हम नहीं हैं.
नहीं है ना. Forget GDP per capita. The simple civic facilities हैं आप में कहीं?
No.
Which country in the world, advanced country in the world, keeps their civil servants, not civil services in high order, civil servants, उनके लिए colonies बने हैं. Nobody has it in modern world. In America or UK, तुम अपने घर जाके रहो, you might be minister for defense, oh, ठीक है. In America, you don't get cars. Everybody, यहाँ तो every secretary and additional secretary, under secretary, whatever secretaries, everybody has a chauffeur, a car. You live in nice colonies, Moti Bagh. वो अभी स्टोरी आया थी ना, Olympic size pool and warmed water. वो तो यहाँ भी है. Except we pay for it.
हाँ.
We pay for it with our hard-earned money.
Hmm.
They dip into it from a sports ministry fund.
Hmm.
Difference है. So what I mean to say
Have you
is,
always been this ruthless
I have always been.
and this brutally honest?
Always. Secretaries of the government don't read anything except the day's op-eds in papers. Op-ed पे हमारी policy बनती है.
हाँ.
Assuming they even take time to read the op-ed.
Hmm.
Forget books, yaar. My book says 800 pages.
Hmm.
A solid case being made. But everybody says yes. आपके मुताबिक प्लान बनाया था वैसे चल रहे हैं. Strategic Forces Command, sir, your nuclear weapons, Indian security. Admiral Arun Prakash said that that's the Bible of the Strategic Forces Command. I thought, what use is it?
Hmm.
If the country doesn't benefit in a substantive way, if we don't resume thermonuclear testing, if we don't have long-range ICBM missile production as priority, we can hit any point on Earth. We say we have ICBM capability. What ICBM capability? You have what they call intermediate range ballistic missile capability, not ICBM. 5,000 kilometers is not ICBM. 12,000 kilometers is the ICBM metric threshold. Banaya. And yet my person I was very close to, Jaswant Singh, when he was the defense minister, what did he okay? A 700 kilometer range weapon. When he could have put the money in ICBM, as I was telling him, put the goddamn money, public money in ICBM, intercontinental ballistic. सीधे सब लोग लाइन पे आ जाएंगे. देखो, there is something to be said about having a capacity to hurt. हमारे भी ruthlessness तो बहुत है, but it's evident only in our politics.
Yeah.
हमारी foreign policy में कहीं है that ruthlessness?
Nope.
है कहीं? नहीं ना. आप direct करो externally. You direct all your ruthlessness, all your bloody mindedness onto your political rival. ठीक है, that's okay, that's politics. But leave a little for external world also, yaar, because that's much more, that's Asha. And it affects all of us. Against your political rival, you might win an election or lose an election. But if you let the babus make the decision, what you end up is a country that's going to get stomped on by everybody. It's happening. You can, of course, say rhetorically, we are a great civilization, we are this, we are that.
How do you counter this, what China is doing with all of these countries nearby? For example, with Ecuador, China has given them so much of loan, and then in return,
that's called pocketbook diplomacy.
Yeah.
They have a lot of money.
They have a lot of money.
They have a lot of money.
How can we counter that?
How can we counter that? Well, we have sought to counter that, but again, we don't deliver on our promises.
Give me an example.
Central Asia में, very close, historically we are close. वहीं से लोग सब आके हम पे rule किया ना. तो historically we are very close. So we promised Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, all these stans in Central Asia कि we'll set up software centers, development centers. वो आपने पढ़ा होगा. Just go back. क्या हुआ? अब देखें आप क्या हाल है?
कोई delivery नहीं हुई. Is
We
it because
told
of the lack of
Burma,
money?
we told Burma, Thailand, we are from just one time I remember the what was the highway, the connectivity, the Mekong, Ganges Mekong connectivity. क्या बात है? Great stuff. There's a geostrategic plan and architecture, wonderful. That was the east-west grid as opposed to the north-south grid China was building. Very necessary to counter China. हम आके अपने border पे अटक गए. The Kaladan port, the project, the entire project, we said we will fund it. कहाँ है? Still there. We are at our border. कुछ अभी नहीं रहा.
Can we reinitiate those now?
Of course we can, but we are not doing it now. Please read my books, and I've said all this. Wherein Shyam Saran was ambassador in Burma, in Myanmar, telling कि यार we used to tear our hair out. भाई पैसे दो. We are, into clerical things कि भाई वैसे तो billions of rupees जाते हैं, कोई हर्ज नहीं है. पर एक पैसा यहाँ बजटरी इसमें दखल अंदाजी करते रहते हैं. फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर, फिनांस मिनिस्टर कहते हैं यार कैसे हो गया, 20 रुपीज ज़्यादा हो गया, वो क्या हो गया. यहाँ पूरे का पूरा खजाना जा रहा है, आप देख नहीं रहे. So we are so, as I said, the system is so wonky, so inefficient, so completely in its own अपने ख्याल में रह रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. Beyond a point, I'm unable to make sense anymore. If someone can make sense, they should explain to me. I'll be most grateful. Within the military and foreign policy fields, which is the external thing, I find it's a complete disaster. We are a whale-like country, whale-sized country, with resources coming out of our ears in terms of manpower, talented manpower, all over the place. With the impact of a minnow. Minnow is a small fish. वो भी है या नहीं, I don't know. It's what I written in my books.
You in fact advocated for building a naval base in Vietnam.
Not just in Vietnam. I've said Agalega. We have been fooling around, and finally it's coming up. Air and naval stations in Agalega in Mauritius. We should have our forward elements there. आपका यहाँ क्यों है? Why are your warships goddamn here? They should be out there in the mid-ocean.
Have you heard this story? I'm sure you would have, about when Singapore broke apart from Malaysia. Singapore had no water. Malaysia was giving water to Singapore, and they were always on the mercy of Malaysia. And in order to make sure that they're not dependent on Malaysia, they worked around and created 4 national taps, recycled water, and then they become self-reliant. So such a small island have done their, made their biggest weakness to make their biggest strength. We also have Andaman and Nicobar Island, where almost 20% of the, China's oil requirement passes through nearby. Can we make that as a strategic choke point?
Absolutely. We have something called Campbell Bay.
Yeah.
We have just extended our airstrip there to accommodate Su-30s. जा सकते हैं हमारा.
Just like what,
we can turn
China is doing with Gwadar.
We can turn Malacca into Hormuz. आने नहीं देंगे बच्चे.
Correct. Exactly.
आओगे तो we'll sink your goddamn aircraft.
Are we focusing
Of
and
course.
thinking about that?
अरे यार सब कुछ कर सकते हैं.
But
करेगा
क्यों
कौन?
नहीं? करेगा कौन?
Political will है हम में, दम है, क्योंकि it involves risk. कौन लेगा risk? We are the most risk-averse country and we expect big results. It doesn't happen. If you want an omelette, you have to break eggs. कहते हैं ना?
बिल्कुल.
If you want to make big, you have to step on toes. ये भाईचारा त्याचारा जैसे नहीं बनता काम. हर टाइम नहीं बनता. पर हमारी हैबिट ये है कि जो आजू बाजू में उन पे तो हम रौ जमाते हैं और जो रियल बड़े हाँ उनके साथ तो भाई हम झुक जाते हैं. ये बताओ जी क्या करना है ना हमारी एटीट्यूड.
बिल्कुल है.
अमेरिका द सेम थिंग. जो अमेरिका आई एम appalled. And now they got news to us. These people are no account.
How do you look at the recent visit of Trump to China and all the businessmen like Elon, all of them were there? What it holds for India?
No. What it holds for India is ultimately what they will. It's for all of Asia now. That's why we should capitalize on it. That's what I'm going to say I'm saying in my new book. The US doesn't have a stomach for a fight. Time is over. खत्म हो गया. Oh, we should realize it. We don't realize it. उन्हीं के पीछे भागते हैं हुजूर. हमें H1 वीज़ा दे दीजिए, H1B वीज़ा. हमें थोड़ा यहाँ से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दे दीजिए. हमें जेट इंजन का कुछ दे दीजिए. We'll buy it from you. We don't see the opportunities. See the opportunity in the fact that the Chinese and the Americans are ultimately planning and right now preparing to rule the world. G2. किसने कंसीव किया था? G2 being China and US. Group of 7 होता है, G7 होता है, G20 होता है.
Correct.
ये G2 was ओबामा टाइम हो जो हम कहते हैं बहुत बड़ा दोस्त है हमारा. उसने कंसीव किया था. ये ट्रम्प वम्प नहीं है. In other words, everybody, all major players are strategic minded. They think 50 years ahead. We think of yesterday.
How to counter
हमारी
it.
planning देखो ना. Civic planning देखो. Forget anything else. Delhi, the capital region. Flyovers, माने क्या. They should have been built 40 years ago to prepare for traffic of today. आप बाहर जाओ, you're caught in a damn road jam. It's not a problem that people have more cars. That's not the problem. The problem is you didn't prepare for more cars being bought by more people when they get prosperous. But for a country that is 8 years, if you can't think strategically, then you have a problem. And therefore I said, recognize that you can't think strategically. हमारी अकल नहीं है. Assume that we have हमारा brain freeze हो जाता है. Anytime you टॉक स्ट्रैटेजी ब्रेन फ्रीज हो जाता है.
हम्म.
Think, that's a fact. लगता तो है, because you can't think. I said, if you can't, and I've said it in military, I say it all the time to my military audiences, at the highest levels of government, अगर हमें अक्ल नहीं है, तो it's best to recognize that. Admit it to ourselves कि हमारी अक्ल नहीं है.
हम्म.
हो सकता है, we can do other things well, पर strategy में हमारी अक्ल नहीं. तो भाई, don't worry. Just follow China.
तो ना
You said pharmacy,
हाँ.
base materials, some उनके लिए. Who stopped you from manufacturing base materials? Did some outside power stop you?
The availability of raw materials. हाँ.
We didn't plan. Our private sector, again, we don't think. The easiest thing is to import something, put together, and we call it an indigenous drone. है.
हम्म.
पता है तुम्हें?
हम्म.
तो वही चक्कर है.
In fact, they did the same thing to Japan. China.
Yes,
Brought down
but that
them-
is the value chain effect. That's not our value. Please don't mistake our status with Japan.
Yeah.
That's a different level of engagement of the Japanese and the Chinese in the economic realm.
हम्म.
हमारा मुकाबला जापान से तो मत करो.
किससे कर सकते हैं?
किसी से नहीं कर सकते.
कोई तो होगा.
आप सूडान वुडान से कर सकते हो. करो, करना ही है तो.
सूडान से.
नहीं ना, I'm saying.
ऐसे जोक. हाँ.
हाँ, ना जोकी है ना.
हाँ.
जोकी बन गया है. Who do you compare yourself to?
हम्म.
सब छोटे छोटे मुल्क आगे जा रहे हैं. You can't do simple things right. You undertake big things. But then you don't do them right. The effect क्या है? छोटा ही है. Effect ही छोटा ही ना.
आपने बोला कि मान लो कि हमें अकल नहीं है स्ट्रैटेजिक सोचने की, ठीक है. अब अगर मान लिया जाए, अकल आएगी कैसे पर?
करने से आएगी ना.
क्या करें?
वो तो ऐसे अगर अकल नहीं है तो जो चाइना कर रहा है करो. उसने पाकिस्तान को
Manufacturing
न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स दे दिया.
आप दे दो.
जो सब नेबर्स को दे दो.
ओके.
Let them sweat bricks. We are sweating bricks with one thing. They'll have to sweat bricks with 7.
बट
I'm saying give a nuclear weapon right now to Taiwan.
हम्म.
Taiwan is exact analog of Pakistan. देखें क्या होता है.
हम्म.
What do you think the Chinese? They're not idiots.
Just
जंग
like-
छेड़ेंगे, छेड़ने दो. देखें क्या होता है. But we don't want to fight. Everybody is turned into a bureaucrat.
Do we have resources also to fight?
Of course we have. If we have the will to use our capabilities, not in a risk-averse way, in an offensive method.
हम्म.
Otherwise, what Krishna Menon said, ये तो parade ground military है, ये क्या खाएंगे? खा कुछ करेंगे.
हम्म.
You reduce yourself to a state where people doubt our military. क्या कर लेगी? क्या कर लेगी क्या? ये पाकिस्तान हमें आके दिखाता है. क्या बात है? क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? यहाँ वहाँ की.
बट अभी तो रिसेंटली ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में.
अरे यार सिंदूर की बात ना करें तो अच्छा ही है.
क्यों?
कि हमने प्लीज रीड माय ब्लॉग्स
हम्म.
एंड अब पूरा उसी पे चल रहा है.
हम्म.
राजनाथ सिंह कह रहे थे अभी अगले टाइम मत करना. हम रुकेंगे नहीं. किसने रुका था आपको सिंदूर में?
हम्म.
By 9th of May you had achieved air dominance.
हम्म. तो हमें नहीं रुकना चाहिए था. आपके
We should have
हिसाब
taken Haji Pir. Why Haji Pir? Because Haji Pir salient is like this. It's the other way around, like this. There's India here on 3 sides. This Haji Pir. We are on 3 sides. 3 sides.
से. हम्म.
आपकी कैमरा के लिए. This 3 sides. Bulge. Uri ऊपर पूंछ नीचे. This is Uri here. पूंछ इधर.
हम्म.
Mandi is here. 3 sides. Formations, army formations, Indian army formations, everything on 3 sides. Special forces go in and close the cauldron.
हम्म.
Uri Poonch. Special forces. 10 commando.
That's it.
First commando, 1 commando, para commando. बंद कर दो. Forces Pakistani हैं. Destroy them in detail. Yeah, surrender them. They'll surrender.
हम्म.
Rationalize the border. Why? Because the LOC is a ceasefire line. Under international law, a ceasefire line can be changed at any time using any means, including military means. Under international law.
हम्म.
What would have happened had you done that? I had sent Du Skardu as well. And Likha Maine Kab? I wrote it on April 30th,
हम्म.
1 week before May 7th.
Yes.
ये सब blog पढ़े आप मेरा.
7th, 8th,
I
9th,
said we
10th.
should take Haji Pir, we should take Skardu.
You wrote it 7 days ago.
7 days before
Yeah, sorry.
Sindoor.
Yeah. That's crazy.
अगर if a civilian
Hmm.
strategist can think about it, इनका क्या है कि they can't think about it? कहते हैं नहीं हमारे पॉलिटिकल डायरेक्टिव्स ऐसे थे. अरे भाई पॉलिटिकल डायरेक्टिव हमारे को, आई मीन वुड मोदी जी हैव सेड टू जनरल चीफ हुएवर वाज जनरल कि भाई हमें तुम्हें जेल भेज देंगे अगर बिकॉज यू डिडंट, आपने हाजी पीर तो कैप्चर कर दिया पर यू आर गोइंग टू जेल बिकॉज यू डिडंट फॉलो माय इंस्ट्रक्शन. हो सकता है ही वुड हैव बीन हैप्पी, वुड हैव मेड हिम फील्ड मार्शल. अरे कुछ तो अपना ख्याल रखो. व्हाट्स योर ड्यूटी, व्हाट्स योर डैम रोल, व्हाट अबाउट द पॉलिटिकल डायरेक्टिव? The government did not expect that we'd achieve air dominance. We didn't plan for it. Neither did the army. Oh, बैठे वहाँ पे air dominance. अरे, what has happened to the joint forces? Work jointly. अरे यार थोड़ा सी पजे go in, खत्म करो. What would that have done? As I've argued since. If they sent out the message, and if there had been a declaratory policy post Sindoor, Modi ji should have said, आप यहाँ terrorist incident करें, we are going to take a big part chunk of POK. करो. करते जाओ आप, प्लीज कंटिन्यू. There'll be nothing left of POK. अगर स्ट्रेटेजिक आपको पाकिस्तानी में आपको फोकस करना है, चाइना तो छोड़ो, आपकी बस की बात नहीं है. योरसेल्फ से योर सेल्फ डिटर्ड, इतना बड़ा है कुछ कर लेंगे, ये है वो है, डर के मारे आप कुछ करते ही नहीं कुछ. किसी के नो मैटर व्हाट यू किक्ड इन द फेस, ठीक है, या लात खाएंगे वो ठीक है. वी आर हैबिचुएटेड टू बीइंग मिसट्रीटेड. Policy is, I would have said, you would have established a precedent and a policy. कि आप terrorist incident यहाँ करो, हाँ POK जाएगा. Next time we are going to take Muzaffarabad. We are going to take Skardu. आप जो you want to पूरा छेड़ना है, वो चलो. It's up to you.
Is it that easy?
It is that easy. What is not easy? You are sovereign. Easy का मतलब क्या है? Of course it's not easy. You want to do things easy. Easy तो option है नहीं ना कोई world में.
Correct.
You want to be rich. It's not easy. If it was easy, everybody would be a billionaire.
True.
And you're an educated person. You're an entrepreneur. You're talking this way. What do you think about the other people who none of your endowments? सोचो ना.
Correct.
Problem कहाँ पे है?
सोचो.
अपनों में. I find our intelligentsia to have no intelligence.
हाँ.
Middle class, which is the muscle of any country, modernizing society. उसमें तो अकल है ही नहीं. Of this kind. What is for the country? To support the government, push it towards thinking big, thinking large, thinking great, thinking super. हम तो भी thinking small. Small aims, easily achieved. Small steps, easily taken. Otherwise, किसने मोदी जी को रोका था? When he said in his 2014 campaign, less government, more better governance. था या नहीं उनका स्लोगन? था या नहीं?
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, तो हुआ क्या? Less government है कहीं? Is the governance much better? Sure, it has improved. He should have debureaucratized the entire country. He should have brought in outside experts to run, as happens in all major countries, democracies. The best people from anywhere, industry, software. Mr. Nitin Bajaj managed the thing. Nandan Nilekani को ले आए थे वो. आधार किसने बनाया था?
नंदन सर ने.
हाँ. GOI की बस है, उनकी अकल है, उनकी क्षमता है, नहीं है ना. तो फिर think of any advance is done when you bring in the private sector. You involve private sector. Incentivize them. यार, come on, do it. People will be enthused and they'll do it. Here too. That's what political leadership is. पर मोदी जी अपने जो गुजरात में करते आ रहे हैं वो यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. He thinks that what he achieved in Gujarat was great. But Gujarat is a small state. India is a big problem. Very different things. If you debureaucratize and let the people know, देखो, and you is digitalized a lot, so you don't need the kind of government people on government payroll. Slash करो, 2/3 जाओ, भागो, get out.
The counter argument will come that there are no jobs and you're slashing jobs.
No, और क्या? क्या government is a damn charitable organization? अगर है तो फिर बोल दो. Then you can go down the route of Soviet Union and सबको पैसे दे दो ना, खत्म कहानी. Look, you can't have it both ways. You decide what it is you want. You want to be a free economy, laissez-faire, where individual effort matters. If it doesn't matter, if all of us are required to just stay at home and अभी COVID-like conditions, PM जी कह रहे हैं कि अभी पेट्रोल नहीं है तो ऐसे करना पड़ेगा. अगर करना पड़ेगा तो करेंगे, मजबूरी है. पर what is the real? That's not going to drive the country into great power status. So the whole miasma, the entire package, has to be right. Why should state support politicians? एक बार आपने एक MP एक बार इलेक्ट हो गए, you get pension for life.
हम्म
हम इतने rich हैं? Are we that rich? See the kind of cost there is that we cannot afford. And the system that we have put in place that has these expensive habits. किसने रोका था? The Amici, we'll go and take Haji Pira in Sindhur. Air dominance आ गया, we don't have to worry about the Pakistani aircraft, F-16 वहाँ बेच पे पड़े हैं. जाओ अंदर. किसने रोका था? कौन रोक सकता था? Whenever I talk about अमेरिका रोकेगा, मैं कैसे रोकेगा? कौन है अमेरिका? क्या है अमेरिका? सब डर डर के रहते हैं हम लोग. My dear, जो any government thing, completely useless. पैसे डालते जाते हैं, DRDO, DPSUs, Moscow Limited, HEL, बेकार के लोग, अच्छे लोग, but bureaucratized over time. Talented लोग when they join, but by the time they become director, मारो गोली, करना वाला तो है नहीं. There is no disincentive to not working or not producing. अगर आपको DPSU retain करना है, incorporatize them, corporation बना दो. Let them sell their shares in the market. हमारी taxpayer की पैसे, हमारी tax money बचेंगी. You and I will pay less taxes. Instead, all the tax go into propping up these kinds of public sector units all over the place. What business does India have? Thank God it's gotten out of Air India. What business does it have to run Ashoka Hotel? अब ये क्या hotel? कहाँ सरकार, कहाँ hotel business? क्या हाल है अशोका होटल का? तो इस सोचने की बात है ना. I mean, you're into everything. It's not the business of government to run commercial enterprises or industrial enterprises. Let them run themselves on the basis of profit. Are you profitable? Are you productive? Is there labor productivity? इस पे metrics है. These are the metrics. If we have to go to war with another country, then we are doing something wrong.
Wow. Very interesting. If somebody has to go to a war, they are doing something wrong.
Something is wrong with our governance.
Yeah.
Our governance means strategizing. चाइना कभी वॉर को जाती है? नहीं ना. कभी जाती है, मार भी खा जाते हैं. But they act so well, they cover up so well. किसी को पता नहीं कि वियतनाम में मार भगाया था उनको 1979 में.
They are never into war.
They always front somebody else. पाकिस्तान तुम खेलो हमारा खेल. हम बताएं कैसे.
बैट बॉल दे रहे तुम खेलो.
हम जाके खड़े हो जाते हैं, चलो हम ही पहलवान हैं. Everybody is using you and you think you're great. Strategy किस बात की है? Strategy is when you use your assets wisely, when you use your neighbors wisely. What is the easiest thing that I've been arguing for years together in all my books? You will never be a great power if you have a neighborhood that is alienated from you. Is there one country in our neighborhood that is friendly to you? बताओ.
It was earlier Bangladesh, but not anymore.
नहीं है ना.
अब तो नेपाल भी नहीं रहा मुझे लगता.
कोई नहीं है. How is that? Something wrong, na? Not one country. And all great powers have pacified neighborhoods. All great countries. America, देखो, पूरा South America उसकी hemisphere है. They don't like it, but they'll never do anything. America बहादुर.
Canada है, Mexico है.
They're very lucky also. Pacific है, Atlantic है. You're protected by nature, by geography.
Yeah.
So there's military geography. I'm not suggesting there's any analogy between the US and India, but we are an extraordinarily geographic, location-wise, an extraordinarily gifted and endowed country.
Because of the ocean.
Yes, we are sitting astride. We are the lords of the Indian Ocean. Should behave like it. Not show our attitude to Pakistan. Pakistan क्या चीज़ है? GDP of Pakistan, ये Reliance खरीद लेगा पूरा पाकिस्तान को. Honestly, it is 113 the market cap of the Mumbai Stock Exchange. 13 नहीं 117 भी हो सकता है आज का. उससे डरे हुआ. उससे खेल रहे हैं चाइनीज, आपको डरा रहे हैं. उनको यूजिंग देम आपको काबू में रखा है. क्या बात है? और आप उनसे compete करना चाहते हैं. क्या बात है? Don't be delusional. We are easily delusional. Great बात तो कब के हम?
Your
civilizational power है. कौन सा civilization? What civilization are we talking about? Or we don't seek territory outside. We're not proselytizing religion. We are not this, we are not this. वो हमारे वेदों से आया है ना, the definition of infinity. हमने we invented zero and we
Yeah.
invented infinity. Infinity क्या चीज़ है? नेति नेति नेति. Not this, not this, not this. Open-ended. Here your Vedas, had we followed the Vedas, and I'm not talking about the modern Hinduism, which is a load of rubbish. I'm a Vedic Hindu. Vedic Hinduism was very, very, very rambunctious, very violent, very vigorous. सबसे लड़ाई झगड़ते थे. They didn't care.
So we become soft.
अब तब तो कुछ नहीं, बातें मत करो. When you become self-inhibited, when you have too many inhibitions, नहीं करना, ये नहीं खाना, वो नहीं करना, ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं छूता, उसी में आप फिर then you get yourself, limit yourself in a manner that then pretty much constrains you by itself, because you created the entire web of constraint or self-constraint or self-restraint. How do we then explain or justify it? We say we are a responsible state. सुना है आपने ये? सुनते आ रहे हैं? We are a responsible state. हाँ, मेरे generals कहते हैं, why didn't you do something in Sindhu? What were they answering? The thesis I put forward, everybody कह रहे हैं, yeah, यार, you had everything, air dominance कह रहे हैं, you had it, why didn't you do something? अगली टाइम करेंगे, अगली टाइम वो पाकिस्तान तुम्हें करने थोड़ी ना देगा. They'll be more prepared. This time they were not prepared.
They were not expecting it.
Not expecting. It's what? Why do Chinese succeed? They do the unexpected. That is Sun Tzu. Do the unexpected. वही मिलिट्री में वहाँ ठोंक ठोंक मार्च करते जाओ, उनसे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Do something extraordinary. So the point to make simply is this, that we are too settled in our grooves. Cultural, habitual, religious, social, माने क्या क्या, they all, our whole damn thing is such a mess.
Intertwined.
That we are completely immobile. Our brains are inert. Anything outside what we have always done, oh yaar, we can't attempt that. बहुत risky है, बहुत risky है. We're too responsible. अमेरिका क्या सोचेगी, क्या करेगी? अरे यार, do something. क्या कर लेगी अमेरिका या anybody else? क्या कर लेगी? Tomorrow we say we are going to resume thermonuclear testing. Who is going to stop you? Who is going to stop you? They'll sanction you. I've said in America in seminars, I hope you sanction us. You please sanction us. It's when they sanctioned us, we developed our own nuclear weapons. It's when they sanctioned us, we developed our own missiles. If we are forced to do it, we'll do it. And we do it rather well. The Agni 5 missile is amongst the best missiles in the world. Best missiles. If I have to tell you what the terminal accuracy is, you'll be surprised. Among the best missiles. Everybody knows yes. उसीलिए इनको दबा के रखना है. और हम दबा के रखने के लिए हम उनको ही हेल्प करते रहते हैं.
So it doesn't matter with the sanction. We should be on our own, develop.
We should break rules. Do great powers follow rules? ट्रम्प क्या कह रहा है? हमने ये ट्रीटी साइन किया, वो अग्रीमेंट साइन किया, वो मारो गोली, आई विल डू व्हाट आई वांट. चलो क्या कर लोगे, कुछ नहीं करता. Why can't you do it? Who is going to stop you? Trump is going to stop that bloody fool. उसको बोलो कि तुम्हारा ट्रम्प बिल्डिंग बनाना या बंद कर देंगे गुड़गांव में. एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी वो तो आ जाएगा. तो क्या करना है यार बताओ. हमारे लेवरेजेस बहुत है हमारे पास.
इजराइल भी तो कभी नहीं सुनता.
कोई नहीं सुनता किसी का. Israel is a great example. I've been there. I went in to Beirut with the 1st Armored Brigade, the Israeli 1st Armored in the Lebanon War in 82. क्या बात है.
What did it do
The
differently
brigade
than us?
commander, you know how old he was? How old do you think the brigade commander, lead 1st Armored going into Beirut?
अब जैसे
Guess
आप-
करो ना.
85?
85?
I'm just
No,
thinking
no,
because
this
you
is
said it.
no, 1983 की बात कर रही है.
अच्छा, oh,
नहीं,
okay.
हाँ.
हाँ.
The Lebanon War, Israel's Lebanon War. The 1st Armored Brigade commander, how old do you think he was?
No idea.
No, but guess करो
Should
ना.
I take a guess? Okay.
ठीक है.
30?
32.
Hmm.
32 a brigadier general.
That's
I must have been 27, 26, Yeah, मेरी ऐसा लग रहा है. क्या बात है, sitting in a Centurion tank.
हम्म
हमारे पॉट बेली जनरल ऐसे वैसे जाते ओ क्या you know नहीं यार हमारी बस की बात नहीं है. It's not that in the cyber war you don't require those kinds of but the point is that kind of tactical agility also represents your intellectual agility and nimbleness.
हम्म
है ना? There's no direct connection. A fat man can be equally intellectually very agile and nimble and all this. But the point is that it has to be then converted into practice and policy.
हम्म
बोलने में तो बहुत कुछ बोल सकते हैं. हम बोल रहे हैं.
हम्म
But I've been consistent for the last 40 years.
हम्म
After you read a book or two of mine, then you can come back and you may have your own views on what I say.
श्योर
So somewhere at the bottom of it is a self-belief.
हम्म
What are you? What country are you? क्या है? You talk of a big country. India is a big we are. जैसे हम कह रहे हैं. China theoretically हमसे डरता है. होता है यार ये Malacca is a real problem for us. We
Yeah.
cannot break through. We can build Liaoning, the aircraft carrier. We can have the J2 intercontinental ballistic missile submarine fired. Yeah, how do you break the Malaccas? They call it the steel curtain.
हम्म
India steel curtain. They are very well aware what we can do, but they're also very sure we won't do it.
हम्म
Because time and again we have proven we don't do anything. Capabilities to have. So when you ask me if you're a prime minister, what would you do? I'd use the capabilities we have well. We don't have to do anything more. Use it offensively. हमारा पूरा military attitude is, or foreign
Defensive.
policy attitude is defensive, reactive, passive.
हम्म
Other way around. Passive, reactive, defensive. नहीं बनता ना काम.
हम्म
You cannot be a great power. And again, I'll maybe, a lot of time I spent there. How do you pacify the neighborhood? You ask me, how can we do it differently? How can we make Nepal, Bhutan तो वैसे protectorate है ही, पर वो भी खेल रहे हैं China से, because they are saying कि यार play China, India, or we get more benefits. How do we overcome those kinds of psychological, induce them to say, yeah, we want to be friends with you. We have to give them incentive to Pakistan.
What incentive can we give to
Bangladesh.
Nepal?
To everybody, yeah. Forget about Nepal, though is very easy. I'm talking about Pakistan. Everybody, all Maldives, Sri Lanka. First of all, we tell them, you can sell anything you want into India without tax, concession, free market. जो बेचना है बेचो, जो करना है बेचना है बेचो. क्या होगा? वे कहा, shit, हमें यार इतनी बड़ी मार्केट तो बहुत बड़ी है.
हम्म
We can do anything. Virtually, the fact of the matter is, you give them an interest, a stake in you. उनका इकोनॉमिक स्टेक बनता आपके प्रॉस्पेरिटी में, क्योंकि देख प्रॉस्पर्स हुआ.
करेक्ट
पाकिस्तान को दे दो. ये छोड़ो बात. Okay, you can keep your nuclear weapons. Very good. Fine. You want to have your armored, so okay, keep that also. Very happy. I've repeatedly recommended, remove all your nuclear missiles from the western border. Remove them. क्या कर लेंगे? क्या कर लेंगे? What will Pakistan do, for God's sake? तो पंचतंत्र में कहते हैं ना, the big elephant frightened of a mouse, वो हमारा हाल है.
हाँ
Give to Pakistan, okay, you want to keep everything. Tell Field Marshal Asim Munir, you come and become, we'll appoint you, Chief of the Indian Army. Honorary Chief of the Indian Army, like we do the Nepalese Army Chief.
हाँ
We do that, do you know that?
वो होगा क्या उससे पर? If we do it with Pakistan?
Nothing, it's a great honor, no? वो army तो is everything. You set a thing with them. The army now owns 13% of Pakistan's economy. Do you know that? उनसे सब खरीदो. You don't have to go far. We'll say we'll buy all the sugar you make. We'll buy all the cement you make. We'll buy all the tires you make. आपके हाथ में आ जाएगा पूरा पाकिस्तान आर्मी.
But won't it hurt our domestic?
अरे यार, domestic को sell elsewhere.
हाँ
क्या कर रहे हो आप?
हम्म
Sell to Africa, go to Latin America.
You open up the exports.
हाँ, आप इनको ले लो ना. What will happen? You have them in your mutti. Which army? पूरा commercial आपके हाथ में है.
तब आप sanctions लगाओ.
नहीं, टेंशन में कुछ नहीं करो. क्या करनी
नहीं,
है?
sanctions लगाओ जब भी जरूरत हो.
नहीं, जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी आपको. And you have to never use that. Even threat of it. क्योंकि then आप उनको डरा देंगे. ये तो कुछ दूर की सोच रहे हैं, इनके कब्जे में नहीं आना. Yeah, open. If you suspect us, ठीक है, मत don't avail of the concessions we are giving you, but we are giving to everybody, to Nepal, to Bhutan, to Bangladesh, to Maldives, to Burma, once it gets its things in order. पर ये है कि you cannot sell things that Chinese channel through you. अगर आप बनाते हो and you can prove कि भाई we produce this engine, we'll buy it, you can sell it in India. But if you say the Chinese are going to make it in Pakistan, they'll sort of channel it, नहीं वो नहीं चलेगा. They'll understand it. हाँ ठीक है. Then you weaken the Chinese link that way. We invest. You want us to invest? Because we have more money. Tatas can invest, Advanis can invest, Reliance can invest. It is said that one of the reasons Reliance set up its the largest refinery in the world in Jamnagar is because they have an understanding with the Pakistan Air Force and Pakistan Army, basically. It means the Pakistan military. कि भाई इसको अटैक नहीं करना.
Oh.
बॉर्डर पे है, कभी भी उड़ा सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं उड़ा है? सोचो ना यार, you can't do make Reliance your ambassador to Islamabad ना. जाओ मुकेश अंबानी पैसे बहुत बना रहे, जाओ इस्लामाबाद जाओ, वो तो अपने मुट्ठी में कर लेगा सबको. ये पैसे ये लो, $1 billion जाओ चुप करो, ये करो. ऐसे होता है यार. What does अर्थशास्त्र, what does it say? What does it say? कौटिल्य और चाणक्य की बात तो बहुत करते हैं. अरे यार, follow what अर्थशास्त्र, and अर्थशास्त्र was a codicil. He didn't author. Do you know that? It's a codicil, it's a compilation of wisdom from the Vedas and so on. But he distilled it. It is said to be the most ruthless treatise on the use of power in the world ever in any literature. वो Machiavelli की, I have said my book is a Chanakya come lately. Machiavelli क्या चीज़ है? पर उसका फॉलो करते हैं, उसकी जो recommendations हैं.
But this is an interesting approach.
It is the approach to take if you mean not to fall down at the first step of great power attainment. Unless you have a pacified neighborhood, unless you have friendly neighbors, you cannot be a great power. बस simple. That's the first step. अगर नहीं बनना तो ठीक है, आप keep on with your time, fighting with Nepal today, fighting with Bangladesh tomorrow, fighting with Maldives, something else. You can keep doing it. Or you want to be a great power? Everybody says, यार क्या चीज़ है, all the location, you have the resources, you have कुछ. China क्या चीज़ है? Japan, हाँ. First step is this, what I call the South Asian co-prosperity sphere. In my books, I've called it the South Asian co-prosperity sphere. Where did I take it from? From the Japanese Second World War notion, when they promised an Asian co-prosperity sphere. We have an example right there. ठीक है, उन्होंने they went into invasion, ये वो सब. Take that out. हमारे region में ये करो ना. हमारे लोग हैं, they all influenced by our Bollywood, Hollywood. शाहरुख खान को भेजो, इसको बनाओ ambassador in Islamabad. No. I recommended Nasli Wadia should have been an ambassador in America. पूरी Pakistan embassy बंद कर देता वो Washington, when I was in the 1980s in Washington at the time. And I said then, I wrote about it. I said we should have Nasli Wadia. कौन नस्ली वादिया कौन थी? जिन्ना का ग्रैंडसन, उसको बिठा दो एज एम्बेसडर वॉशिंगटन. देखो क्या होता, पाकिस्तान एम्बेसी वो तो ठप हो जाएगी. क्या आर्ग्यू करेगी? जिन्ना का पोता है, द ग्रेट कहते आजम, उसका पोता यहाँ में इंडियन एम्बेसडर है. यू डोंट हैव टू से अ वर्ड. वो तो पाकिस्तान एम्बेसडर हुजूर पता हो. दिस इज स्ट्रेटजी. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू से दैट, सब चुप हो जाते थे. फॉरेन सर्विस तो होने वाले, वो तो उनकी पोस्ट जा रही है ना, वो तो नहीं पुश करेंगे. इट हैड टू बी एट पॉलिटिकल लेवल, बट देयर वाज नोबडी इन पॉलिटिकल हु हैड दैट gumption to think strategically. जो हमारा कैबिनेट अभी डिसाइड करती है, कैबिनेट, हम सब कैबिनेट मेंबर्स हैं. यू आर द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, यू डिसाइड भाई ये करना है. 3:45 we decide, Indian cabinet decides, today we'll do this. Military term, let's say national security. Within 1 hour, GHQ Rawalpindi knows about it. The good thing is, what the GHQ Rawalpindi, General Headquarters Rawalpindi, decides at 3:45, we know it in half an hour.
Wow.
We are interpenetrated. That's not a joke. That's a fact of life.
That's a big risk.
What's the risk? It keeps peace. I mean, we know each other. What are you going to do?
हाँ.
That's a good thing, ना? But we have half an hour thing. वो margin जो है half an hour, वही air dominance की बात कर रहे हैं ना, कि if you had by May 9th you had done it. By the way, we achieved air dominance by 3 o'clock in the morning. We began our airstrikes at little past midnight.
हाँ.
Actually around 01:10 or something. Our first planes were going in, or first missiles were going in. Is standoff weapons being fired. So we're going in. So in that half hour, our forces could have, and we finished it by 01:30. We had achieved air dominance. Army should have gone right in at crack of dawn. Crack. SF dropped over the Uri Poonch line, cut off. करना है कर लो. I tell them, और नहीं. खाता आप, जो कुछ होगा, it'll be at your expense from now on. So we have to be bloody minded when we have to be bloody minded vis-a-vis Pakistan. उनको ये भी समझ नहीं आ रहा कि भाई, because they are so confident कि यार इनकी बस की बात ही नहीं. अभी भी कहते हैं ये लाले क्या फाइटिंग करोगे तुम. I've been to Pakistan a great number of times. I've addressed their military there. I've been with Agha Shahi when I was in the chair when I was talking. I've been used by the two countries in nuclear messaging, signaling. होता रहता है, ये सब होता रहता है. When I go to Pakistan, I'm debriefed by Special Branch RAW. होता रहता है. Because they want to know. I'm telling you something right now. The main man in the Strategic Plans Division Chaklala, which is their nuclear secretariat, controlled by the Pakistan Army. The main man for a very long time, I don't think he's there right now, I'm not so sure, is Lieutenant General Osaf Ali.
Okay.
Everybody knew about him, but no one knew how he looked. Do you know that?
No, I'm
इतना
not aware.
secret रखा उसको.
हाँ.
तो ये न्यूक्लियर सिग्नलिंग हो रही थी ना 2007 I called there. So there was lunch and he was briefing me. I'm getting a briefing from Osaf Ali on the nuclear program. They wanted us to know what they have. And it was a reasonably realistic assessment. They were not exaggerating. They were not understating. They were straightforward, upfront. So I won't tell you what is that, but we got the nuclear message. But the point to make is how he looks. So I'm giving you information, which I've told you, that's not a thing. He looks exactly like Saurav Ganguly.
Okay.
Exactly, including these frames of the glasses. So I told the General, I said, General, you look to yourself in the mirror. He said, yes, Mr. Karnad, I know. Ganguly. I said, Ganguly. The raw, you didn't know it? Now when I, and this all, secret, you don't have to, I mean, then I hear this being said by very top people at some parties and so on and so forth, not knowing who is the saw. हमें वापस आ रहा है भाई ये सौरव को मुझे लगता है बहुत दमदार आदमी. But the point to make is they are extremely serious about nuclear security, for instance, which we are not. See, what Pakistanis do, as I said, their margins of error are very small. Our margin of error is very large. Therefore, we are complacent. We are lazy of mind. या क्या हो जाएगा अगर कोई हमला भी करेगा, we can retreat as far as Nagpur, क्या होगा, we have the whole subcontinent यार. हमारा दिमाग पूरा गया है. So military geography doesn't work for you because your mind is so addled. Your brain addled. काम नहीं करता. So this is the kind of stuff, I mean, the point thing too is, you have to begin to see what your strengths are. An honest reckoning. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Honest. ये नहीं कि बड़ा चढ़ा के. Because you can't lie to yourself. You are what you are.
Yeah.
And the Prime Minister has to have absolute honest reckoning कि भाई हम हैं कहाँ पे.
Where do we stand?
Where do we stand? And then make your decisions accordingly. Bloody mindedly. Yeah, the decision making is so attenuated. It takes forever. China produces, South Korea, forget China. South Korea produces a warship. A warship in 3 years. We take 12 years. How are you going to do things?
So execution is not
We
really a
have
problem.
HAL. अब वो कह रहे हैं कि हम तेजाज प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, खाक प्रोड्यूस करेंगे.
अभी तो
They
recently-
produce 18 aircraft with 2 assembly lines, 2 production lines. This is how good, how bad, or good, I was being sarcastic when I said good, but how bad their labor productivity is. They produce 9 aircraft per assembly line per year. It was during the Second World War, of course, but just for comparison, the Lockheed or, whatever the
Martin?
aircraft, the P-45 Mustangs, they used to produce 250 aircraft a month.
A month.
A month. It was World War II.
Yeah.
I'm just giving a comparison.
And we do that 9 per year from one assembly line.
19,
9 per year from one
9,
assembly line. Yeah.
9 aircraft, 9 Tejas,
Yeah.
which, by the way, is a beautiful aircraft.
Hmm.
Beautiful aircraft. और हम जा रहे हैं रफाल खरीदने.
Hmm.
क्यों भाई, इंडियन एयरफोर्स को पेरिस जाना होता है ना, जनरल एयर मार्शल्स को, उनकी बहुत खातिर होती है पेरिस में. So this is difficult to say, but hard to say this. But and this is a subcontinental disease. बिकाऊ है, कोई भी खरीद सकता है, छोटे मोटी चीजों के लिए. क्यों? ठीक है ना?
हाँ.
है ना?
हाँ.
ग्रीन कार्ड दे दो, दिखा दो, सेक्रेटरीज क्या पूरे मिनिस्टर लाइन में आ जाते हैं.
You don't
What
fear?
kind of inducements? You can be paid, the inducements are very little in comparison, but we fall for it.
Wow. Thank you so much, sir.
Not at all.
I loved it. Thank you so much ये पॉडकास्ट एंड तक देखने के लिए. अब आपसे मुझे 3 फेवर्स चाहिए एंड आई रियली होप कि आप ये मेरी तीनों विश पूरी करोगे. पहला, इस चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो, क्योंकि जितने ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइबर्स होंगे हम उतने अच्छे और इम्पॉर्टेंट गेस्ट को आप तक लेके आ पाएंगे. दूसरा, मुझे प्लीज़ कमेंट में ये बताओ कि आपको इस पूरे एपिसोड में सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा, एंड ऐसे कौन से गेस्ट हैं जो हम अपने पॉडकास्ट पे बुलाएं, उनका नाम प्लीज़ कमेंट में ज़रूर बताओ. एंड तीसरा फेवर, ये एपिसोड प्लीज़ एक इंसान के साथ तो आपको ज़रूर शेयर करना है, क्योंकि हो सकता है उनकी लाइफ में उनको कुछ नया सीखने को मिल जाए. आपसे मिलेंगे अब नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में. तब तक के लिए कीप ग्रोइंग एंड आई लव यू ऑल.